Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this Tech Wars episode. And for tonight's contestants, on the left side, you got the Lenovo Model Ancient. And on the right side, you got the HP Model Ancient as well. So let the fight begin. And fight! Yes! Fatality!
Sponsored by absolutely no one. Look at what I found, guys. This is one of the very old laptops. Well, this is actually not mine. This is my brother's, but it is so ancient, you guys. Come on, let's have a look at this. Let's open it up and... Oh, it looks like the hinge is broken. Well, there you go. That's the ThinkPad Lenovo T400 Model Ancient. And it's running Windows Vista Basic with a Centrino processor. Yep, that's my brother's laptop. Nart, if you're watching this, this is for you. Anyway, whoa, look at this tiny little trackpad over here. Okay, to give you some perspective, look at this. No comment. We've come a long way, man, when it comes to trackpad sizes. And I was never a fan of Lenovo's red dot. You know what I'm talking about here. They still do this. I don't know why they add this to their laptops. I have no idea. And of course, the iconic new line enter button is there. And let's have a look at this thing. Cool, you got some legacy ports here. A VGA connector, a VGA port. Okay, and oh, who can remember this? Have you guys used one of these before? I haven't. Let me know in the comments below, in the description, in the comments below if you've used any of these things. And let's see here. This battery comes off. Ugh. I don't think it can come. Okay, finally came off. I don't even know if this laptop works. All right. And what is that? I think that connects to something? Maybe. Okay, you've got a DVD drive, a USB port right here. So this is my favorite laptop. This baby was my favorite laptop back in the day. This HP laptop was there when I entered the university in 2006. I got this in 2006 and wow. Well, the screen is broken. Look at those little tiny trackpads, man. Seriously, what were they thinking? The laptop manufacturers back in the day had very, very small trackpads. Yeah, size matters. Anyway, look at that. That came off. That came off. Okay. Oh, and this was also Windows. Oh, this was Windows XP. It's even worse than my brother's. But it had the NVIDIA GeForce 7400 and the Centrino Duo processor. I think this is the same laptop that MKBHD had when he was, well, a kid. Check out this video. Oh, and by the way, I remember when he made one of the videos about this. This was a remote. I used to pull that out and control the laptop, the Windows Media Center. That was the name for it, and I thought it was cool.
Media Center remote with it. Quite a nice remote. So, fits into the little express card slot on the side of the laptop.
Now let's have a look at the bottom. I remember I upgraded this, the RAM back in the day. I upgraded the RAM. I just can't remember how much the RAM was though. Well, anyway, this laptop, believe it or not, still works, except for the screen. The screen does not work anymore. But the laptop itself works, and I used to love the Altic Lansing speakers. This laptop was really loud, and it was one of my favorite laptops back in the day. I love this little guy. So anyway, that was the retro episode. If you like this episode, give it a like. If you really like this episode, then please subscribe to my channel. Man, just can't believe this. Look at how far we've come. Look at that. I mean, wow. This is crazy.